There are so many improvements with the new Peach. The usability and functionality is elevated in every way. Seating allows your child to now be in an upper position, both having a great view. You're still maintaining a single footprint, so you have no issue getting through doors. It's as easy to use and manoeuvrable as ever before.
During the development of the product and prototyping, I will organically source user trialers nationwide. We look at a breakdown of coastal through to urban, suburban, town, rural parents, really just to cover off every possible functionality that our product could find itself in to make sure that we really do meet the needs of all of our customers. Functionality of the soft goods are really paramount, especially because of features such as UV SPF protection, and they are tested to SPF 50. The ultimate importance is that the child is comfortable whilst meeting the needs of the parent through functionality. Testing and quality is as important as the design of the product.